It's learning time today, and today we're learning to tell time. I said it's learning time today, and today we're learning to tell time. There's the
Ille Caesar! Ooh la la! So any guesses what I'm going to teach you today? Yes, I'm going to teach you how do we see time in French. Bonjour à tous, bienvenue à la classe de français. Today I, Garima Malik, Head International Languages DBS, is going to teach you how do we see time in French. It's a very easy concept. For this I have made a wall clock. Just see. What is the time here? 6 o'clock. How do we say it is 6 o'clock in French? Il est 6 heures. How do we say il est 6 heures? What is heure? Spellings, it is H-E-U-R-E-S. And in English, it is H-O-U-R-S. And H we don't speak, so it would be heure. Il est 6 heures. With 6 you do, it is 6. Now see, I have made two needles. This is the stagnant one, and this I have not made the stagnant one. So that I can teach you the minutes in French. See. So how do we say if it is 5 minutes to 6? It would be il est 6 heures 5. We don't speak minutes at the end in French. And if it is a 2, it would be il est 6 heures 10. Il est 6 heures 15. Il est 6 heures 1. Il est 6 heures 5. Il est 6 heures 30. Il est 6 heures 35. Il est 6 heures 40, il est 6 heures 45, il est 6 heures 50, il est 6 heures 55. I know you all just know the counting till 20, but see, it's very easy to learn the other counting in French in the clock. See, 25, it would be 1, 5. 20, you know it's 1 and 5 is 5, so it would be 25. 30 is 30, and what would be 35? It would be 35. And 8 is 40, and it would be 40, and 45 would be 45. After that is 50, that is 50. And 55, very simple. It would be 55. Very good. Now is the exercise time. Maintenant, nous avons l'exercice pour vous. See, I have made exercises chart for you. You all can't see this. I have put this here. So see, first is il est 10 heures and 40 minutes. It will be il est 10 heures 40. And minutes we won't speak. And the other one, il est 5 heures and 5 minutes. Very good. It will be il est 5 heures. Very good. 5. And the other one, il est 10 heures and the minutes are 20 minutes. So it would be il est 10 heures 1. Very good. Now you all can also practice by making the clock like I bring every creative idea in the video, and after that you can also give you exercises in the same way. Hope you all learnt it and you all would practice it. Au revoir. À bientôt. À plus tard.